Imagine holding a clock that predates clocks, a calculator that predates calculators, and realizing it was crafted more than 2,000 years ago. What you're about to hear will upend everything you thought you knew about ancient technology. This is Secrets of History. Today, we follow a trail of bronze and mystery, the Antikythera Mechanism, a shattered machine pulled from a Roman shipwreck that might be the world's first computer. Stay with me. This story begins not in a laboratory, but on a storm-tossed sea, and ends inside a gearwork mine far older than anyone expected. In 1900, sponge divers off a small Greek island hauled up treasures, statues, jewelry, and a corroded lump of bronze. For decades it sat forgotten in a museum storeroom, ugly and inert. It looked like nothing remarkable until someone asked the simplest, most dangerous question. What if this rusted mass was not junk, but a device? Tiny inscriptions on that bronze, first ignored, would not stay quiet. As scientists peeled back layers of centuries' worth of incrustation, they found teeth of gears, angular fragments that hinted at precision engineering. This was not a crude artifact. Its complexity whispered the hand of intentional design and advanced knowledge. If the Antikythera Mechanism is what many now believe it to be, it rewrites a chapter in human ingenuity. We assume mechanical computing sprang from the Renaissance and the Industrial Revolution, but here, in the hands of Hellenistic craftsmen, we may have a device that calculated celestial events, a computer of gears, calendars, and the motion of planets. The implications ripple. Who made it? For what purpose? And how did such knowledge vanish for centuries? Scholars faced a puzzle with three impossible pieces: an ancient shipwreck, a machine complex enough to rival medieval clocks, and an intellectual gap, no known tradition of gearwork at that scale in that era. How could such technology exist, only to disappear? Each time researchers solved one question, two more emerged, and the deeper they dug, the stranger the story became. Now imagine laboratories, X-ray scanners, and mathematicians gathered around photographs of corroded bronze, each image a whisper of formulas in motion. Some argued this was a hoax, others that it was an isolated marvel. Tempers flared. The more evidence accumulated, the harder it became to dismiss the machine as a simple curiosity. This was a battle between skepticism and revelation, a modern detective story played out over decades.
What exactly did the mechanism calculate? How were its gears arranged? And what ancient mind conceived such a device? In the next part, we'll trace the mechanism's reconstruction, the X-rays that revealed hidden inscriptions, the breakthrough models that made the gears speak, and the jaw-dropping functions they discovered. Ready to keep going? When scientists finally turned the Antikythera fragments under powerful X-ray scanners in the early 2000s, the results were nothing short of electrifying. Hidden beneath centuries of corrosion, dozens of finely cut bronze gears emerged, not random, but meticulously arranged in interlocking perfection. Each gear tooth was carved with mathematical precision, a mechanical language that spoke of astronomy, time, and a civilization far ahead of its age. And then came the inscriptions, faint Greek letters etched into the metal. Not prayers, not dedications, but instructions. It was as if the device itself was whispering, "I am not an ornament, I am a machine." Through reconstruction and digital modeling, researchers began to realize what they were looking at. The mechanism tracked the movements of the sun and moon, predicted eclipses, and even charted the cycles of the ancient Olympic Games. Imagine this, turning a small hand crank on one side and watching a system of gears predict future eclipses, planetary alignments, and lunar phases decades in advance. In an era when most of humanity believed celestial events were acts of gods, someone had built a mathematical model of the cosmos in metal. This wasn't superstition, it was science, hidden inside a bronze box. So who could have built it? Theories swirl like the constellations it once tracked. Some say it came from the school of Archimedes, the mathematical titan of Syracuse, whose inventions already bordered on the miraculous. Others whisper the name Hipparchus, the great astronomer who mapped the heavens with astonishing accuracy, perhaps the very data the machine encoded. But the truth remains elusive. The names have been lost, leaving only gears, silent witnesses to minds that dreamed of turning the stars into equations.
The Antikythera Mechanism reveals something profound. The Greeks didn't just philosophize about the cosmos, they engineered it. They understood celestial cycles with a precision so advanced that modern scientists, even after decades of study, still marvel at the craftsmanship. It was, in every sense, a mechanical universe in miniature. But here's the haunting part. After this machine was lost to the sea, there is no record of anything like it for more than 1,000 years. No evolution of the design, no written schematics, just silence. It's as if human civilization briefly touched the future and then let it sink. How could such knowledge vanish? Some historians suggest the device was too rare, perhaps built for a wealthy patron or scholar, never mass-produced, its secrets known only to a handful of artisans. Others blame war, empire collapse, or the burning of libraries that once held the blueprints. Whatever the cause, one truth stands clear. By the time Europe rediscovered gear-based clocks in the 14th century, they were reinventing something the Greeks had already mastered more than a millennium earlier. In 2021, new 3D modeling finally completed the front face of the mechanism, a dazzling system of rings and pointers showing the motion of Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn. Each one calibrated with extraordinary accuracy, syncing ancient theory with mechanical design. This wasn't just a calendar, it was a cosmic engine, a bridge between man and the stars. And when scientists saw it in motion, reconstructed and turning for the first time in over 2,000 years, silence fell over the lab. Because in that moment, the gears of the past were not relics, they were alive again. So, was the Antikythera Mechanism truly the world's first computer? In every meaningful way, yes. It processed data. It modeled complex systems. It made predictions. It took abstract equations and turned them into motion. And perhaps that's the greatest irony of all. The ancient world may have built a computer long before we ever dreamed of electricity. If you think the Antikythera Mechanism was astonishing, wait until you see what happened when one of the modern world's greatest empires collapsed without a single shot fired. Click on the end screen now to watch The Fall of the Soviet Union, how an empire collapsed without a shot fired. I'll see you there. If you enjoyed uncovering this secret of history, don't let it end here. Like the video to support more deep dives into humanity's forgotten past. Share it with someone who believes ancient people were primitive. Comment what you think the mechanism was truly for. And subscribe to Secrets of History, where the past isn't just remembered, it's resurrected.